I always say there are two things that can transform the life of any human being, and that is first the type of people you meet, and secondly the type of books you read. So by subscribing to LifeVersity, hitting that subscribe button and watching out every video, liking and commenting in the comment box below, you have met the right guy. That is Eric Were. That is the first step done. You have met the right individual. Secondly, you need to read right books, and I'm here also to offer that. And I've reached a point where I read one book per week. I used to read one book per month, but right now thankfully I'm totally comfortable with reading one book per week, and I even finish before it's Friday. So I've decided that every week I'll be able to share with you lessons from the book I read for that week. I understand a majority of you, maybe you are still convincing yourself that you don't have that time to read. Maybe you are an employed. Believe you me, maybe employees may think they are very busy compared to self-employed people, but it's the other way around. Self-employed people or business owners are busier than even employees. So I still find time to read books. So that's an excuse you need to dash out of your way if you want to see progress in your life. Nevertheless, I'll share with you the lessons I learned from every book I read every week. And in this week, I was reading the book titled The Millionaire Next Door. And I'm going to share with you the lessons from this book. I've put the link to the book in the description below, so ensure you check out the book if you want to download it and be able to have the first-hand information and read it for yourself. Be able to download it. If you don't have that time, then you can simply check out every video I post about the book I read that week, and believe you me, you will be at the same level of knowledge like me by simply watching LifeVersity. Even if the book is 300 pages or 700 pages, I'll be able to highlight the most important points that I learned in that book in less than 20 minutes or in less than 10 minutes, and you can be able to leverage that information and use it to your advantage. So that's another great reason you need to subscribe to LifeVersity. This is an absolutely amazing channel that is out there to help you succeed at whatever you are doing. So whatever you do, ensure you smash that subscribe button. If it's your first time here, subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell in order for you to be notified whenever I put out another brand new video like this one. Right into the video. The first lesson I learned by reading the book titled Millionaire Next Door is that there are three most important resources in life. That is, one, we have time, two, we have energy, and three, we have money. These are three most important resources that are available to every human being. Now, the only difference between rich people and poor people is that the rich people use all the three resources to create more money or to make more money. On the other hand, poor people only use time and energy to create money. That is why the poor people remain poor. And the reason why rich people remain rich is because they use not only time but also energy and money to generate more money. So if you want to take your life to another level, you have to find a way to use your money to create more money, and that is simply investing. Most poor people are concerned about consuming, not investing. So you need to look at your consumption levels. There are ways you can reduce your expenditures, that is your expenses and liabilities, and be able to reserve enough money. Money is a scarce resource, and being among the three most important resources, you need to be able to find a way to invest your money in order to produce more money. That is what the rich do. So in order for you to take your life to another level, you need to utilize all the three most important resources in order to create more money. That is time, energy, and money. most poor people and the middle class have time and the energy it requires to work for money. But apart from using that time and energy to work for money, you need to find a way to have money work for you. That is what will create the whole difference. It doesn't matter the amount of money you make. What matters is the amount that you keep. Remember, a penny saved is a penny gained. So you need to cultivate the habit of saving in order for you to invest. Once you start utilizing the third resource, that is using money to generate more money, it will make the whole difference. So those are the most important lessons I gathered by reading The Millionaire Next Door. Hope you've gotten a point out of it, and if you want to access the book, please check in the description. There is a link and you can be able to acquire that book and read it for yourself. If you don't have the time to acquire that book and read it for yourself, ensure you tune to LifeVersity every single week. I told you I read a book per week, so every week I'll be able to share the lessons I learned from the book I read that week. And the easiest way for you to read that book is simply subscribing to LifeVersity, turning on the notification, and for sure when I post a new video like this one, you will be notified and you can be able to read, to download the knowledge I acquired from whichever book I read and be able to put it in your head in a matter of minutes. So that's it for this video, guys.